not work. Because I'll finish marrying him. There is nothing like miserable like you, Onyame. You cannot do anything, no.
Talking to a captain. You're very lucky that I'm not more as young as I used to be. I would have eaten you alive. Eaten.
Sir!
What kind of woman you brought into my house?
Let's leave you.
I'm so sorry, sir!
Sorry for yourself.
Thank you, sir!
I will leave you to handle this matter. When you are done, you call me. I'll be inside my room.
Stupid general.
Thank you, sir!
You don't have sense. You're a very weak man. They say you should slap me and you slapped me. I will forgive you.
You came here to embarrass me, right?
I said I saw the money mistakenly entered. Why are you flinging me like that? What is it?
Kabiru!
Kabiru!
Take this woman to the barrack!
I'm not.
Take her to the barrack!
Wait. This marriage is